So we are now looking at another way to specify our vector. I believe this is now the third or fourth way we can show our vectors, but this one, if you look, it does trig. So trig doesn't disappear, it moves on. Obviously, you guys know there's tons of real life, ways for trig to happen. So this one, thankfully, is nice and it's practical. Cosine goes with your x, and sine goes with your y, the same exact way it was with the unit circle with any trig units. So you can rewrite your vector as the magnitude and then the direction of the angle, so that's the cosine I plus the magnitude sine j. Okay, so go ahead, please write down this piece right here, and I would say this little diagram right here would be helpful, and then we will go and show an application of this, and we'll do 2 different examples. So go ahead and do this, and then we will get started. All right, pause it if you haven't already, write this down, and then move to the next slide.